guys, welcome back to Shah's Lifestyle Vlogs. Today we're doing a clean with me stroke repair spring type of situation. We have so much to do that I cannot just be standing around chatting for too long. My hair is in pre-poo state because it's Sunday and I have not washed my hair yet. But we're going to do this clean with me as quick as we can. We have a lot to get through because there's also some repairs, which I will discuss. Anyway, so let's start over here. I have this block right here, which is a sanding block. I'm just going to wrap with some sandpaper. The reason why I have this is, let me just show you the bathroom. So the other day, myself and Kylan done a practical home repairs lesson for his homeschooling. I like to chuck that in every so often to get, just for him to get some basic home repairs skills. Anyway, we have taken off this toilet roll holder and we filled in the holes right here. I will come back to this one at a later date. But anyway, as you see, I've started to sand that one down. I need to sand it down a bit more. I'll come back to the other one because I do need to buy paint, guys. I need to buy paint. Also here, I hope you can see that. We have, me and Kylan has taken this down and we have filled it up. So I need to sand that down as well as clean up the whole of this bathroom and wash the floors, guys. We need to also wash and clean and everything. The bathroom, I need to take down, this has got my work uniform on it and other clothes on it. I need to take that down and put those away. Also on our little home repairs, we have these nail clips right here that I taught Kylan how to do that, so he done that. So I got Kylan to nail those on because the wire was literally hanging. It's not the greatest, but he learned something, that's the point. Also, I brought this on Amazon. This is a reason for one of our repairs that I'm going to do today. I bought this, which you just stick it on to your wall. It's a toilet roll holder. So that's what I'm going to put on today. And I'm going to need to make sure that the walls are clean. So you're going to see me, you probably won't see me washing all the walls everywhere because I'm going to give everywhere just a quick wipe. I probably won't record all of that, but you will see what I use for that. One of the products that I have brought is this. It's a 5 litre rubbing alcohol, which is good for grease and grime because I'm going to need that not only to add into my warm water for washing the walls, but also down here, as you can see, this threshold right here. I did have something covering that, but it just went really ratchet. So I had Kylan remove that in our lesson, and I have brought these from Amazon. And they just stick down, guys. You just stick them down. They have some adhesive at the back. You just stick them right down on there. There is 2 in a pack. So I'm going to do in here and Kylan's room, simply because this is the main room, and Kylan's room needs one, and his room is the first room you see as you walk in. Also, the girls needs one, so I'm going to order another pack of 2. As you see, it's quite long, so I have my measuring tape here. And me and Kylan was going to do this the other day, but we ran out of time and I had to go to work. So I'm going to try and challenge myself to do this today. But I'm going to measure up the threshold right here. And I'm going to cut. Hopefully I'll be able to easily cut this. Let me see if I can take it out of the pack. Right, so hopefully I can it's easy to cut. I'm not sure how that's gonna work. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to film that, but yes, so that's that. Oops, we will sort that out in a minute. So that's the toilet, the bathroom, taking down these clothes, wiping down these walls a little bit, and then of course my kitchen, guys. This is the current state of the kitchen, and this is where we're going to start. We are going to start in the kitchen. Okay, this is going to be called like a reset Sunday because that's technically what it is, or I might call this a spring clean repairs clean with me type of situation. I don't know, but let's get a move on because we have a lot to do, starting with cleaning this kitchen right here. Right guys, so we've tackled the kitchen and the hallway. I've got my clothes in here to put them away. I've got a load of DVDs here because we've had a family movie nights and we were debating what movies to watch. By the way, we watched The Others because Kylan's never seen it. He loved the twist at the end. I do love that film. If you haven't seen it, go watch it. It's with Nicole Kidman. We also watched Beaches. Kylan found that a little bit boring, but also sad. And what else did we watch? Oh yeah, and we watched New Jack City with Wesley Snipes. And Kylan actually liked that movie too. So anyway, we've been watching movies, so that's why there's DVDs everywhere. I've got to move the sandpaper from here, put this toilet holder on still, clean up a bit. I am not going to pull up my bed. Well, I'm going to pull it up for the sake of I'm going to mop, but I'm going to leave my blankets out so that once the floor's dried I'll pull it right back on out again, because it is Sunday and when I'm finished all of this and washing my hair I would like to chill with a candle. So you'll see the end results soon guys, but where am I going to put you in the meantime? Let's put you up here and let's get on with this bigger task, which is my bedroom, front room situation. Right, I hope you can see guys, I hope you can see. Oops. I don't know what's going on with my anyway, I think you should be able to see me right here. If not, it is what it is, guys. We've got a lot to do. So here we go. I'm gonna first just move all these clothes, first of all. I really don't think you can see me at this angle. Let's turn you around a little bit more. Right. You look like you're looking up at the ceiling to me. It's a little bit better. Let's hope. Okay. So, for this real fast, guys, I haven't got time to sort of dilly-dally and be pristine right here because, as I said, I do have so much to do. get up. Stop eating all the food. No. Moving me. I need to show the results. Everything's so dusty. So dusty. There's a big huh? No. Like everything is just so dusty. No, thanks. I'll put it back on when I start washing my hair. I'm just not going to wash my hair just yet. I've only been doing this since last week, then the things came and I had to be putting it off. So I'm going to try and challenge myself a bit also. Well, it's not a lot to do really. It's just normal cleaning and putting a couple of things off together, I thought. But yes, I thought I will do it today while I can, while I have the energy.
Well, anyway. Yeah, I think it was yesterday, but we go shopping, we were knackered from the gym, from Zumba, and now I'm squeezing it all in today before my hair wash. Huh? No, that will be.
Hi guys, so now we're on to washing the walls. Now I don't think I'm going to actually show you me washing the walls because that's going to be quite long, but I will show you what I have. First of all, I have just a basic basin, halfway full, well, quarter of the way full of hot water. In cleaning, hot water is your friend. We have some Fabuloso here. This is birthday cake one. We're gonna put some of this in, and this is to eliminate odor and kill 99.9% of bacteria. So we'll put a little drop of that in. Then we have some pumpkin spice here, and it's Flash all-purpose cleaner. And we're going to put a bit of that in here. Then we're going to just use your basic bleach to get off most of the grime, as much grime as possible. So I'm going to just take the nozzle off and just pour a little bit of bleach in there. I know it's a bit of a combination, guys. Right, so these products actually is the same products that I'm going to use for my floors, so I'm going to leave them out for now. Now we're going to, let me get my kitchen scissors. We're going to open the rubbing alcohol. Take that out of this bag. Okay. We're going to shake it up. And we're going to pour a little bit of rubbing alcohol in here as well, because we want to get up as much grease and grime as we can. So just a little splash of rubbing alcohol. Right, so that's the products. I'm going to use this cloth just to wipe the walls now, guys. This is a very, very basic clean of my walls. I'm not going to quite show you that bit, but I will come back with the end results, hopefully. I will come back and show you how the, what should I come back? Mopping. We have to mop and put down my little threshold joint connector together. Okay, see you in a bit. I'm going to go ahead and wash these walls. More or less everything is done. What we're going to do is we're going to wash all the floors real quickly. So for that we need hot water, guys. Hot water. I try not to fill up my bucket so much because I don't want everything super diluted in there. Just rinse this up a little bit. So yes, as I was saying, I don't want everything super diluted in there, so Where can I put you? I'll put you here, and you'll hopefully be able to see what I'm doing. So, oh God. Right, so here's the bucket, guys. Don't know if you can see that, but we're going to put some more of this flash. We're going to put the rest of this in, guys. Okay, let's get all that content out, shall we? I'm going to finish this off. Put the rest of that in there. We're going to put some bleach in there. And because of my threshold situation, and I have to get that all cleaned up, we're going to put some rubbing alcohol also. Oh, making a mess, guys, making a mess. Okay, so I'm going to come back when everything is more or less done, I think. I'm going to wash all the floors, and then I'm going to come back, do the threshold, and show you everything else that I've done. Okay, see you in a minute. Hey guys, welcome back. I've finally finished. It took me longer than expected. Still haven't been in any type of a shower to wash this hair, but anyway, my kitchen is now looking a lot better. Let me just show you an overview. A load of dishes, guys, a load of dishes. So my kitchen has been done. We have washed the floors right here. We've washed the walls in my corridor and my doors especially, as well as the floor. So that's been done. That's nice and clean. The toilet is nice and clean, and the bathroom has been cleaned. I have my my little diffuser going here right now. I've got the scent red berries, and it smells gorgeous, guys. There's my little dodo. But it smells gorgeous, guys. It smells so good. I'll come back to what the situation is here in a second. Anyway, here's the front room, guys. A quick overview. Please disregard this right here. I am going to address this. I'm going to actually pull my bed back out soon enough. I've got a video uploading right here for you guys. You may have noticed I pulled out some pajamas earlier because I need to have my shower still and wash this hair and pull up my bed. So that's why that's there. So disregard these things. I have my candle burning here. One of the candles that Kylan brought me. And this is my situation, guys. So I've ran into two issues with my repairs, the two main repairs that I wanted to do today. Let's start with the toilet. So I have put this on, guys. I have only put this on, but as you can see, I've had to put it, I actually wanted it this way. But when I put the toilet roll on it this way, it was sort of off kilter, so I had to put it this way. I was going to put it here, but of course there's, you know, it would not have stuck here. And I'm a bit worried that this is not smoothed down enough for it to actually hold. So pray for me on that, guys. I hope this works. I hope the toilet roll holder is a success. You do get another little sticky strip, and I'm guessing for that reason, in case it falls down. So that's actually good. Right, and now over here about my fresh hold, guys. So as I was telling you, I brought this in order to address this very bad situation. So this essentially will be here. However, I have taken the measurements, guys. I've taken the measurements for the fresh hold, and number one, I thought there was 2 in a pack because I was going to do this door and Kylan's door, like I said earlier, but there's only 1. I'm not too sure why that is. I'm sure I saw a 2 in the pack when I ordered it, but anyway. The problem I'm having, I've got my toolbox here, guys, because the problem I'm having is I thought I can just get a good, solid, hardware type of scissors and just cut this, you know, to size. But literally I can't. I need something much stronger. What I was going to do is use this and sort of hammer, but I don't want to split this at all and wreck it, and I also don't think that that's going to work. I gave a little tester on the end here to see if that will work, and that's not going to work. So I'm going to have to get me down to the hardware shop and get me some sort of a tool that I can use to cut this with. So this project is a fail at the moment, which is a shame because I was looking forward to, that's Kylan, by the way, he's on his game with his friends. I was actually looking forward, guys, to having a decent looking fresh hold. You know, I was really looking, oh, why did I take the light off? I was really looking forward to doing that. So that's a disappointment. And I was also looking forward to having my toilet roll, having that somewhat hotel-like feel with it going this way. But no, we have to have it this way. So, yes. But besides that, I've done all my cleaning, guys. All the cleaning has been done. I've polished, I've swept, I've mopped, I've dusted, and I've just done it very, very, very basic. You'd be surprised, guys, of how much, when you actually look at your walls, how much tea stains and just everyday handprints and stuff is on there. So I just gave everywhere, especially my doors and my passageway, a quick wipe. Yeah, so I will let you know. I will keep you posted on that, on my fresh hold situation, as well as my, again, my toilet roll situation, toilet roll holder situation. But that's all I have time for, guys. This, I don't know how long this is gonna be, but it's getting late and I am fed up with this on my head. The plastic cap is actually quite tight, guys, so it's really hurting my head now. So I need to get myself in the shower, but I'm going to have a bit of a break because I've not had a break. So I'm going to have a quick coffee, then while the heating is on, get the hot water going and wash my hair and prepare myself for work tomorrow, pull out my bed, put away all my tools, and hopefully I can maybe find something online. I'm going to check that out in a little while to see what I can use to actually cut my fresh hole joiner, I think they're called. Yes, so that was a fail, guys, but at least we have a nice, clean, fresh smelling, wonderful home. I'm going to go. I still have dinner to cook and it's getting on in time. So I'm going to go. See you in a mo. Take care. Please stay safe, be safe. And if you like this vlog, guys, please give it a thumbs up. Peace. Till the next time. Bye.